Hey guys, how's it going? Today, just going to run through with you how I make lip sync videos. I make some for Parody Press, so let's get to it. I'm going to assume that you already have your voice cloned or your video to go with. Just showing how to use the lip sync tool today. In future I'll make some other ones going through that, because I know that's probably the hardest part. But just to get things started, as you can see here, I've got a fresh account. This is brand new with Vozo. Good thing is, if you want to have a go at this, make a video, you get one free precision lip sync, and you get a few other like not as good quality ones as well. I'll chuck the link in the description if you want to have a crack. But so what we do is we go generate talking video, start with video, and literally all you have to do, I did the Mitch Owen one the other day, you just chuck that in, and then you got the option of text to speech, but obviously you know, that's not going to sound anything like him. So if you got a voice cloned, then beauty, chuck that in. And then so you've got this is here, the standard mode and the precision mode. The precision mode is just far better. It's as simple as that. The standard mode kind of looks a bit like plasticky and fake. The teeth are huge, things like that. But well, from what I've found, and then the precision mode, it's pretty good. Like, it's still obviously tell it's AI, but like it looks a lot better. And then yeah, simple as that. One face in the video. Thank you for coming. Click generate, and then that's it. It'll do its thing. Takes a while, you know, probably take like 15 minutes to generate, but yeah, that's actually it. You can download it straight away from there. Yeah, here's some of the final results.
Sending it so I could get to the pub early and smash 1,000 frothies with the boys.
Actually, the next one I'll run through some of the other stuff, but yeah, thanks guys. Cheers.